Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for delaying the video. As part today's topic is access modifiers in Java. Access modifiers are used to control the visibility of classes, methods and variables. That means we can control the variables, methods and classes where we can access them by using the access modifiers, and they are very crucial for the data hiding. That means for the encapsulation, which is an OOPS concept. And there are different kinds of access modifiers. They are private, default, protected and public. These are the access modifiers which are supported by the Java, and each modifier has its own specific rules. Private access modifier, it restricts access to defining the class only. That means we can access the private class or private method or private variable only in that particular class, not outside the class. As I am showing the example, in a class I am writing a private variable, private method. These are accessed only inside the method. We cannot access by creating the object also. And the private keyword is used to create it, and it is useful for the sensitive data for not allowing outside the class. Next is default. If it doesn't mention any access modifier explicitly, it will automatically considered as default access modifier, and there is no specific keyword for the default. The rule for the access modifier or visibility rule is it restricts to class within the package. That means for a particular package only we can access, not outside the package. And about the packages we are gonna discuss in the next video. So to know about the packages, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Then you will be getting notified for my next video. Protected access modifier. It allows access within the package, but it also allows outside the package by inheriting. That means subclasses. The second point is saying that by inheriting we can access it. This is the protected access modifier. For suppose in a class if we declare a method or a variable as protected, then it will be accessed within the same package and also by extending it. That means inheriting it. Protected is the keyword used to declare the variable or method or class as a protected. Lastly, public. As the name itself says that it can be accessed anywhere. The class or method or variable, it can be accessed in any class. No restrictions for this access modifier, and the public keyword is used to declare. Now I'm gonna summarize about the modifiers. See, I'm displaying a table about the access modifiers, like private within the class, default within class within package, protected within class within package, outside package but inside class, and public in all. By memorizing or by knowing this table, you guys can write on your own about this access modifiers in Java in any kind of exam, or you can easily know about the access modifiers. You can remember it easily. Now let's see the examples for the access modifiers. In this example, I am declaring a class A. In that I am declaring and initializing the private variable and method. Now in the another class, I am creating the object for class A, then accessing or printing them. But it gives an error when we execute, because as the variable and method are declared by the private, it gives the compile time error. As you can see the output, And you can also create or write an constructor with private. I'm using the same code, but I'm removing the private keyword before the variable and method. Now it can be accessed within this package. As I said, there is no keyword. Defaultly or implicitly, it considers these variables and classes as default classes. If we see the output, it will be giving no error and it will be compiling fine. Now let's see the protected. Again using the same code but declaring the variable and method as protected, and then I'm gonna compile it, whether it gonna compile or not. If it is compiled, then it's gonna be executed fine. So let's check the output after updating the code. Yes, it's compiling perfect, and it can also be executed, and by mistakenly I haven't executed it, but it will work fine. You can also try this code. And the public keyword is no need to explain by the code because it can be accessed anywhere. Just by changing the modifier type as the public, it can be accessed anywhere. The same code will also work. You can also try your own codes. If anything you want extra, please give a comment so that I can understand what I should improve in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and please comment on what topic I should make a video on the next, and like the video.